Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this occasion.
Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Usha Agrawal, the distinguished guest of honor, Dr. N.K. Agrawal, our revered President of the School Trust, Mr. Ravinder Jain, and our ever-loving motherly figure, the distinguished member of the School Management and Trust, Mrs. Sushma Jain ji, all the sector heads, my dear teachers, parents, and my dear beloved class of 2025-26. A hearty welcome to each one of you to Abhyuday, a rite of passage from learning to serving. My dear children, this is a very special day, and the presence of the legendary doctor couple of international fame makes it even more special. So I request each one of you to please applaud for our chief guest and our guest of honor. Welcome, ma'am, and welcome, sir. As an educator, people usually ask me, how do you measure the success of a school? Is it the board results? Yes, to some extent. Is it the admissions which the class 12 students after passing from the school take in universities, colleges, and the courses that they pursue? Yes, to some extent. Is it the medals, the awards that the children win for themselves, their alma mater, and the parents at the state, national, international level? Again, yes, to some extent. But I firmly believe that along with this, the success of an institution, the success of an institution of knowledge is much deeper. It is measured by the character that it builds for all the stakeholders, be it the staff, the students, the parents. It is the choices that we all make when no one is watching. When you keep that garbage in the car and don't throw it, that is true measure of success. When you use the right words on the social media platform to express yourself, that is the measure of success. And in this digital era, when messages through the digital medium flow so fast and so far off, which cannot be compared with face-to-face conversation, in this world, the responsibility with which you voice your opinion on the social media reflects the character of each one of us. So be very, very mindful, because that is a measure of the success of the institution as well as the family to which we belong to, the nation to which we belong to. The choice that we make when we stop at the red light, even though there is no camera, even though there is no police, even though there is minimum traffic, still we stop there. That shows the character, that shows the success of an institution. It is reflected in the resilience that we show when each one of us rise after every setback. It is reflected in the mistakes that we commit. It is a part of growing up. We all make mistakes. I make mistakes. But what do you do after committing the mistake is a reflection of your character. Do you learn from those mistakes? Do you become wiser, more empathetic, and make sure that you don't repeat that mistake? That is a reflection of the success of an institution. And I'm very sure in all these 15 years, Drishti or any other school to which you might have, some of you have joined the campus in class 9th, in class 11th, but to whichever institution you belonged, 15 years you've spent in the school. And I'm very sure all the teachers have nurtured you quite well. So when you fly out in this vast world of freedom, my dear children, just listen to me that make sure that there are some principles that guide your life. The principle of integrity, the principle of honesty, the principle of perseverance. So just choose 2 or 3 principles of your life. So whenever there will be roadblocks, whenever there will be turbulence, these principles will be your lighthouse and they will give you the right direction. So today, maybe this is the last time when formally I'm interacting. Informal interactions will keep on going till we all are there on this earth, I'm very sure, because our connection doesn't break because you're passing out from the school campus. But yes, formally, as a principal, as a PRINCIPAL, I want to state that please define your PRINCIPLE, please. That is very, very essential. So all the best to all the children on behalf of all the teachers here. Go out, fly high, smile, and bring laurels, lot of laurels for yourself and for all of us. Keep making us proud, and we are proud of each one of you in spite of everything. My dear parents who have made it here, thank you for entrusting your children, your most precious gem, to us. It means a lot to us. It is the trust that you have on us, that you entrusted these precious children to us. And both of us have put in our best foot forward to nurture them. And your presence today means a lot to us. So a hearty welcome to all the parents who are here today. Some of them could not make it, but doesn't matter. In absentia, we are recording everything, and it will be put on YouTube. So I welcome all those parents also who could not come here for some reason or the other. To all my dear teachers, right from kindergarten till class 12, thank you so much in believing in every child and not giving up on them. Even when they were very tough, even when there were challenging situations, but you knew that this is our responsibility, these are our children, and we have to nurture them. Thank you so much for believing in every child and putting your best foot forward. Thank you so much. Once again, a hearty welcome to each one of you to this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of inspiration.
अभिमान है या कहो अज्ञान अपना, या कहो अभिमान है। नफरतों के जहर से हमें प्रेम के प्यारों की लेते हो, अज्ञान के अंधेरों से।
Dear audience, and now we arrive at the most awaited and cherished moment of today's celebration, the felicitation ceremony for our class 12 graduates. This is a moment of pride, joy and reflection as we honor our young graduates who have completed an important chapter of their academic journey. Today, Abhyuday, the rite of passage from learning to serving, unfolds as a celebration of endings that become beginnings, of dreams that now prepare to take flight.
Every river begins as a quiet stream, yet it journeys on to meet the sea. Similarly, every learner steps beyond the familiar, carrying knowledge, courage, and the promise of tomorrow.
Today, we celebrate that beautiful journey, the journey of the class of 2025-26 who leave behind cherished memories and step forward with confidence, purpose and hope, ready to create their own paths and make a meaningful difference in the world.
And now, to formally commence this momentous ceremony, may I have the honor of inviting our esteemed principal, Dr. Manisha Gangwar, to graciously escort our revered chief guest, Dr. Usha Agarwal, to the stage for felicitation ceremony. Let us welcome them with a warm round of applause.
Some journeys are written not merely in report cards, but in quiet perseverance, unwavering discipline, and dreams pursued with conviction. Ladies and gentlemen, as we honor excellence today, it is time to welcome a young achiever who has carved her own path with grace and determination. She has never sought the spotlight, yet her dedication has naturally brought it to her. With every challenge she embraced and every opportunity she seized, she proved that true success belongs to those who remain focused, humble, and consistent. Put your hands together for the overall topper of school, Hiteshi Jan from the Humanities stream. She also emerged as the subject topper in Fine Arts and Political Science. An active participant in class activities and inter-house competitions, she has always believed that learning extends far beyond textbooks. Her remarkable academic journey has now culminated in an outstanding achievement, 96%, earning her the distinction of being the school topper in humanities stream.
Among your thunderous round of applause, please welcome the one whose name echoes through the corridors of Drishti with pride and admiration, Prisha Jain, who stands tall as the topper of Commerce Stream and second overall position holder in the AISSCE 2026. She also emerged as a subject topper in Business Studies, Accountancy, and Economics. Prisha secured an outstanding 95.4% in grade 10 and with the same determination repeated this remarkable achievement in grade 12, earning the distinction of being the second position holder in the school. Beyond academics, Prisha has enthusiastically participated in inter-school competitions. May I now request the overall third position holder, Mahanjot Kartillo, who has also emerged as a second position holder of Humanities stream. A scholar of remarkable consistency, Mahanjot has further distinguished herself as a subject topper in physical education and fine arts, proving that excellence flourishes whenever passion meets perseverance. A spirited sports person and a former sports head girl of school senate.
Next, walking forward, is a student whose voice has become an inseparable part of the Drishti story. For years, the stage has been her second home, whether welcoming dignitaries, hosting landmark celebrations, or giving voice to the spirit of Drishti through Drishti Ki Awaaz. She has captivated audiences with her eloquence, confidence, and remarkable presence. An exceptional orator, she has brought home numerous laurels by winning inter-house and inter-school debate, declamation, and public speaking competitions, proving that words, when spoken with conviction, have the power to inspire and transform. With your thunderous round of applause, may I invite our former president of School Senate, Samrit Kaur Garewal, who has secured the third position in the humanities stream and emerged as the subject topper in psychology with a perfect 100. Her academic excellence has remained equally consistent, having secured the third position in the school in grade 10 and now once again standing among the finest scholars of the graduating class. Leadership has never been a position for Samrit. It has been a journey. With your warmest applause, may I now invite a young achiever whose precision with numbers is matched only by her quiet determination. Subhangi Jha, the subject topper in accountancy and the second position holder in the commerce stream. Subhangi has demonstrated that success is built not in a single moment, but through countless hours of sincerity, discipline, and consistent effort. Her exceptional command over accountancy reflects not only academic brilliance, but also a sharp analytical mind capable of transforming numbers into meaningful insights.
Please put your hands together for an achiever whose journey is a remarkable blend of leadership, artistic expression, and sporting excellence. Hazel Taliwal, the subject topper in fine arts and the former head girl of the school. Hazel has always believed that true excellence knows no boundaries. Whether leading her peers with confidence and compassion as a head girl, creating beauty through art, or displaying grit and determination on the sports field, she has embraced every challenge with an unwavering spirit.
This round of applause, let us invite a student whose academic brilliance, creativity, and leadership have made him a true role model, Taranpreet Singh. The science stream topper and subject topper in physics and fine arts, Taranpreet has consistently demonstrated excellence in both academics and co-curricular pursuits. As the head boy of School Senate, he led with confidence, integrity, and a deep sense of responsibility, earning the respect and admiration of teachers and fellow students alike. His remarkable achievements reflect his dedication, versatility, and unwavering commitment to excellence.
Our next achiever is a gifted orator and an exceptionally confident compeer who has lent her voice and presence to numerous prestigious school events, captivating audiences with her poise and articulate expression. Her achievements include securing first position.
Tanveer has proved that excellence is not always loud. Sometimes it is reflected in sincere effort, steadfast commitment, and the willingness to give one's best every single day. His remarkable academic performance stands as a testimony to his perseverance and disciplined approach towards learning. Beyond the classroom, Tanveer has actively represented the school in inter-school and inter-house competitions, embracing every opportunity to learn, compete, and grow.
And now, our next achiever is a gifted orator and an exceptionally confident compeer who has lent her voice and presence to numerous prestigious school events, captivating audiences with her poise and articulate expression. Her achievements include securing first position in the inter-house group discussion, third position in the inter-school declamation competition, participating in the youth conclave and playing a key role in managing the alumni meet. With your thunderous round of applause, may I now invite one of the most admired faces of the graduating class, Anhat Kaur, the second position holder of science stream with a perfect score of 100 out of 100 in psychology. For Anhat, excellence has never been an occasional achievement. It has been a consistent pursuit. Securing first position in both grade 10 and 11 science, she has continually set high standards for herself, proving that dedication and perseverance are the true foundations of success. Whether excelling in academics, speaking from stage, or mentoring others, Anhad has always led with intellect, confidence, and grace. She exemplifies the belief that true excellence lies not only in achieving success, but also empowering others to achieve it.
May I now invite a young achiever who has proved that determination, curiosity, and consistency are true hallmarks of success. Harkamal Singh, the subject topper in physical education from humanities stream. Harkamal has quietly built an impressive journey through his sincerity, commitment, and willingness to embrace every opportunity that came his way. Whether in academics, innovation, or co-curricular activities, he has always believed in giving his very best. His innovative thinking was recognized at Texastania 1.0, where he secured the second prize, reflecting his ability to combine creativity with practical problem solving.
With a thunderous round of applause, may I now invite Anoop Veer Kaur to come forward and receive her well-deserved accolades. Anoop Veer has scripted an inspiring journey of dedication and perseverance. She has achieved a perfect 100 in Punjabi, emerged as a subject topper in biology in class 12 board examinations, and secured second position in class 11 science. Her active participation in Indian Hypertension Control Initiative reflects her commitment to learning beyond the classroom.
Next up is Jasleen Kaur Garewal, but she couldn't make it due to some reason. So let's move forward.
May I now invite Anmol Preet Kaur Deol to the stage to receive her recognition for her exceptional accomplishments. Anmol Preet has been a remarkable example of leadership, dedication, and excellence throughout her school journey. She began her leadership role as the joint house captain of Ruby House in grade 11 and went on to serve as the Ruby House captain in grade 12, earning the respect and admiration of her peers through her sincerity and sense of responsibility. She has also achieved a perfect score of 100 out of 100 in English in the class 12 board examinations.
Some students graduate with certificates, a few leave behind a legacy. Today, we celebrate one such remarkable young achiever. As the house captain of Sapphire House, he has led with confidence, responsibility.
Now let us invite a student whose enthusiasm, team spirit, and determination have made him an active participant in school life. Akal Jot Singh Sekhon from the humanities stream. Akal Jot has always displayed commitment through his regular participation in the inter-house sports competitions and his active involvement in class activities, reflecting his cooperative nature and sporting spirit. Let's congratulate Akal Jot Singh Sekhon with a warm round of applause.
Some students graduate with certificates, a few leave behind a legacy. Today we celebrate one such remarkable young achiever. As the house captain of Sapphire House, he has led with confidence, responsibility, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. His journey at Drishti has been defined by innovation, leadership, and service. From securing second position at Texastania, earning the Best Survey Response Award at Innovation Fest 2024, completing certifications in artificial intelligence and robotics, participating in the Cybercrime Workshop, the International Science Olympiad, the Youth Conclave 2025, and being recognized as a child rights champion to receiving the Card of Honor in athletics. His achievements reflect a young mind that embraces every opportunity with passion and purpose. With a thunderous round of applause, let us welcome Harcharan Kamal Singh Garewal from the Humanities stream. Yet, beyond his accomplishments, it is his generosity and gratitude that truly distinguish him. On his birthday this year, after completing grade 12, Harcharan Kamal chose not to celebrate with gifts for himself. Instead, he gifted 2 refrigerators to the teachers of Drishti School. A heartfelt gesture of appreciation that spoke volumes about his values, humility, and respect for those who shaped his journey. It was not merely a gift, it was a beautiful expression of gratitude, reminding us that true greatness is measured not only by what we achieve, but by what we give back.
With a thunderous round of applause, may I invite Harjia Garewal from Science Stream. As Joint Discipline Head Senior, Harjia carried her responsibility with maturity, sincerity, and an exemplary sense of leadership. She played an active role in organizing and participating inter-house competitions, ensuring every event reflected spirit of teamwork and healthy competition. Her enthusiastic participation in classroom activities further showcases a learner who believes in giving her best in every opportunity.
With your warmest round of applause, please welcome Gursimranjeet Singh from Humanities stream, a student with a keen interest in business management. Gursimranjeet has demonstrated that innovation and enterprise go hand in hand. His achievement of securing second prize in Texastania 1.0 reflects his thinking and problem-solving abilities, while his active participation in inter-house competition showcases his enthusiasm for learning.
With heartfelt round of applause, let us welcome Divyansh Jain from Humanities stream. Throughout his years at Drishti, Divyansh has been an enthusiastic participant in inter-house competitions and has always been known for extending helping hand to his classmates whenever they needed. His cooperative nature, positive attitude, and willingness to contribute reflect the qualities of a dependable friend and a responsible learner.
Please put your hands together to warmly welcome Tarak Vij from the Humanities stream. With a natural inclination towards sales and art, Tarak has always approached school life with enthusiasm and a willingness to contribute. His active participation in inter-house competitions and consistent involvement in classroom activities reflect a student who values teamwork, creativity, and continuous learning. Inspired by the dynamic world of communication and innovation, Tarak aspires to build a successful career in digital marketing.
Let us now invite a student whose creativity, leadership, and dedication have made him an integral part of our school community, Harsimarpreet Singh Pangu from Humanities stream. Blessed with keen interest in innovation and critical thinking, Harsimarpreet has always approached every responsibility with confidence and enthusiasm. As media head in School Senate, he played a significant role in managing school events and ensuring smooth execution, while actively participating in classroom activities. With the ambition to become a lawyer, he aspires to use his analytical mind, communication skills, and sense of justice to make a meaningful impact.
Some students leave behind memories through their words, while others inspire through their ideas. Anureet Kaur Garewal has done both. With a resounding round of applause, let us welcome this remarkable student from the science stream. As the publication head of the school senate, Anureet has been the voice behind many of the school's milestones, documenting achievements and giving expression to the vibrant life of Drishti. Her confident presence as an anchor at numerous school events reflect her eloquence and poise and the ability to connect with every audience.
Please put your hands together to welcome Gaganjot Singh Garewal from the science stream. Known for his calm demeanor, humility, and respectful nature, Gaganjot has quietly earned the admiration of his teachers and peers alike. He carries himself with grace and treating everyone with kindness and dignity, proving that true strength lies in compassion and humility. Throughout these years at Drishti, he has actively participated in inter-house competitions and enthusiastically engaged in variety of science activities.
With your warmest applause, let us welcome Paraspreet Kaur Garewal from the science stream. Throughout her years at Drishti, Paraspreet has exemplified the true spirit of collaboration through peer teaching, generously sharing her knowledge and supporting her classmates. Her active participation in inter-house competitions further reflects her enthusiasm for learning, teamwork, and holistic development. Inspired by the ever-evolving fields of medicine and technology, Paraspreet aspires to become a medical professional.
With a resounding round of applause, let us welcome Gurshan Singh Rangi from the commerce stream. A passionate sports person, Gurshan has brought laurels to the school by winning gold at zonal level and bronze at district level in volleyball. His enthusiasm extends beyond the volleyball court to chess and athletics, reflecting a personality that values both sharp intellect and physical endurance. Whether competing on the field or challenging minds across the chessboard, he has consistently displayed discipline, resilience, and exceptional sportsmanship.
Every successful venture begins with a vision, and every vision is strengthened by dedication, teamwork, and the courage to lead. With your warmest applause, let us welcome Harman Singh Taliwal from the commerce stream. Throughout his journey at Drishti, Harman has been an enthusiastic participant in inter-house competitions and an active contributor to classroom activities, always extending support to his peers whenever it was needed. His cooperative spirit, reliability, and willingness to help others reflect the qualities of a true team player.
Please put your hands together for Harleen Kaur from the science stream. Throughout her journey at Drishti, Harleen has embraced every opportunity with enthusiasm, actively participating in inter-house competitions and representing her sporting spirit by competing in the 200-meter race at the school sports meet. Her willingness to participate reflects a student who values perseverance, confidence, and continuous growth.
With a heartfelt round of applause, please welcome Navleen Kaur from the science stream. As the former Emerald House Captain Senior, Navleen led with grace, responsibility, and a spirit of inclusivity, earning the respect of both her peers and mentors. Beyond leadership, she remained actively engaged in academic and school activities, generously shared her knowledge through peer teaching, reflecting her willingness to uplift those around her. Please keep applauding.
Every great animation begins with imagination, and every masterpiece begins with a dream. With your warmest applause, let us welcome Gagandeep Singh from the humanities stream. Gifted with a creative mind and a passion for visual storytelling, Gagandeep has always embraced opportunities to learn, innovate, and collaborate. His achievements include securing second prize as Texastania 1.0, along with active participation in inter-house competitions, where he consistently displayed enthusiasm, teamwork, and an admirable sporting spirit.
Walking forward next is Inderveer Singh from the humanities stream. A true sportsman at heart, Inderveer has brought immense pride to the school with his outstanding achievements on the volleyball court. A two-time district volleyball champion and a proud school volleyball representative, he has consistently displayed exceptional talent, teamwork, and sportsmanship. His participation in inter-house competition and dedicated service as a school event volunteer reflect a personality that leads both on and off the field.
With your thunderous round of applause, may I now invite Jasleen Kaur Bhangu from the science stream. As the former cultural head of the school senate, Jasleen brought creativity, enthusiasm, and vibrant energy to every celebration, proving that true leadership lies in inspiring others and bringing people together. Alongside her leadership role, she actively participated in inter-house competitions and enthusiastically contributed to classroom activities, embracing every opportunity with grace and commitment. Please keep applauding.
With a warm round of applause, let us welcome Manjot Singh from the humanities stream. A student admired for his discipline and dedication, Manjot has always stood out through his active participation in the inter-house sports competitions and enthusiastic involvement in classroom activities. A talented athlete known for his exceptionally neat handwriting and meticulous approach to every task, he reflects the values of hard work, precision, and perseverance. Please keep applauding.
Let us welcome Anmol Preet Singh Garewal from the humanities stream with a resounding round of applause. Throughout his school years, he has embraced opportunities to grow through active participation in inter-house sports competitions and enthusiastic involvement in classroom activities. His spirit of participation and willingness to engage in every experience reflect a student who believes in learning beyond textbooks.
Next up is Gurkirat Singh from the humanities stream. Unfortunately, he could not make it up today, so let's proceed further.
Due to some reason, Pratyush could not make it today, so let us move forward.
With your warmest applause, let us welcome Eknoor Kaur from the science stream. Throughout her journey at Drishti, Eknoor has participated wholeheartedly in the inter-house competitions and actively contributed to the classroom activities, embracing every opportunity to learn, collaborate, and grow. Her quiet dedication and consistent involvement reflects a student committed to excellence in every endeavor. Inspired by the fascinating world of radiology, Eknoor aspires to build a career with advanced medical technology, meet compassionate patient care.
Please welcome the outstanding Gurshan Singh Garewal from the science stream with your warmest applause. A leader of remarkable composure and integrity, Gurshan served as the discipline head senior for session 2025-26 after previously holding the responsibility of joint head boy. His leadership has always been marked by responsibility, humility, and an unwavering commitment to setting the right example. Beyond leadership, Gurshan has distinguished himself as the best athlete of session 2024-25, proving that excellence is achieved through discipline, resilience, and relentless determination.
Champions are not defined only by the medals they win, but by the discipline, resilience, and determination they carry into every walk of life. With that spirit, let us welcome Jugraj Singh Gill. A passionate sports person, he has brought pride to the school through his outstanding achievements on the volleyball court, winning a gold medal at the zonal level volleyball championship and a bronze medal at district level. These accomplishments stand as a testament to his perseverance, teamwork, and unwavering commitment to excellence.
Let us warmly welcome Jugaad Singh Deol from the commerce stream. Though a student of commerce, Jugaad's passion extends into the dynamic world of programming and software development, reflecting a mindset that embraces creativity, technology, and continuous learning. Throughout his school journey, he has enthusiastically participated in inter-house sport competitions and actively contributed to classroom activities, demonstrating a balanced approach to academics and co-curricular pursuits.
Please put your hands together as we welcome Ekamdeep Singh from the humanities stream. He has always demonstrated that innovation has no boundaries. His remarkable achievements include winning the CBSE Regional Level Science Exhibition, representing the school at the CBSE National Level Science Exhibition, and earning a place among the top 500 ideas in the Youth Ideathon organized by IIT Delhi. accomplishments that reflect creativity, analytical thinking, and a passion for solving real world problems.
The future is imagined by those who dare to question, innovate, and create. With that inspiring thought, let us welcome Arnav Jain from the science stream. Driven by a deep fascination for computer science and artificial intelligence, Arnav has consistently explored opportunities that challenge his intellect and sharpen his skills. His participation in inter-school technical competitions and the district chess championship reflects a mind that values both innovation and strategic thinking. Arnav dreams of contributing to the world of technology by developing next-generation computing technologies.
Please put your hands together as we welcome Manraj Singh Garewal from the humanities stream. Due to some reason, he could not make it today, so let's move forward.
Next person joining us would be Anup Jodhkar, but due to some reason she could not make it today. Let us move on to the next person.
The noblest careers are often inspired by a simple desire to care, to heal, and to make a difference. With that thought, let us warmly welcome Harnoor Kaur from the science stream. Throughout her years at Drishti, she has embraced every opportunity to learn and grow, actively participating in inter-house competitions and contributing enthusiastically to classroom activities. Her sincerity, dedication, and willingness to engage reflect a learner who values both knowledge and collaboration. Please keep applauding.
Some dreams are designed with logic, while others are colored with imagination. The next graduate beautifully brings both worlds together. Please welcome Komaljit Kaur from Science Stream. While pursuing science, Komaljit has nurtured a deep love for literature and creative expressions, proving that analytical mind and a creative heart can flawless by side throughout her school journey. She has actively participated in inter-house competitions and classroom activities, embracing every opportunity with learn, express, and grow.
Due to some reason, Shiraj couldn't make it today, so let us move forward. Please join us in welcoming Manraj Singh Garewal from the humanities stream, a student with keen interest in the technical field. Manraj has always believed in learning through participation and experience. Throughout his school journey, he has enthusiastically taken part in inter-class and inter-house sports competitions, along with actively contributing to various classroom activities, reflecting a spirit of involvement and continuous growth.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Nanki Singh from Science Stream, a student who believes in balancing intellect with actions. Nanki has actively participated in inter-house competitions and classroom activities, making mark on sports field, winning gold medal in relay race and bronze in 100-meter sprint. Nanki has demonstrated that perseverance, discipline, and teamwork are ingredients to success. With unwavering fascination for technology, Nanki aspires to become a computer science engineer specialized in artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is a dream driven by curiosity, innovation, and desire to create intelligent solutions that can shape tomorrow smarter.
Success is never measured by the speed of the journey, but by the courage to keep moving forward. With that spirit, let us welcome Swar Patpatia from Humanities Stream. Swar's journey has been one of the steady growth, quiet determination, and unwavering perseverance. Throughout this year at Drishti, he has actively participated in inter-house sports competitions and classroom activities, embracing every opportunity to learn, improve, and contribute. With a keen interest in the field of business, Swar dreams of becoming a successful businessman.
As the celebration of dreams continue, let us welcome another aspiring changemaker, Hartaj Singh Garewal from Science Stream. Guided by strong sense of purpose and desire to contribute meaningfully to society, Hartaj has always approached every opportunity with sincerity and enthusiasm. His active participation in inter-house competitions and consistent involvement in classroom activities reflect a student who believes that growth comes through engagement, collaboration, and continuous learning. With a clear vision to join civil services, Hartaj aspires to uphold the values of integrity, leadership, and public service.
May I now invite the student whose discipline, determination, and sports spirit have always inspired around him, Pankaj Kumar from Commerce Stream. Success is often built on dedication, perseverance, and the courage to excel both inside and outside the classroom. Pankaj has displayed these qualities through his remarkable achievements in sports while steadily pursuing his academic goals in commerce. A talented volleyball player, he has brought a pride to school by securing gold medal.
Please put your hands together for Damanjot Kaur from the science stream, a student whose aspirations are guided by compassion, dedication, and a sincere desire to make a difference in the lives of others. Throughout her years at Drishti, Damanjot has been an enthusiastic participant in inter-house competitions and an active contributor to classroom activities. Always ready to extend a helping hand wherever support was needed, her cooperative spirit, reliability, and positive attitude have made her a valued member of the school community. With a heartfelt ambition to build a career in the medical field, she dreams of serving society through healing.
Next is Amreen Kaur, who due to some reasons could not make it up today.
Next walking forward is the senior former Topaz House captain Jasween Kaur from the humanities stream. As the senior captain of Topaz House, she led with confidence, responsibility, and a team spirit, motivating peers to strive for their very best. She is an excellent sports person, a district level volleyball player. This talented achiever secured first position in the district netball competition, second position in the LSSC football tournament, and demonstrated remarkable athleticism by winning third position in long jump.
Next, we have a Drishtian whose imagination has consistently found expression through innovation, technology, and problem solving. For him, technology has never been a subject. It has been a passion and a purpose. With an unwavering interest in robotics and artificial intelligence, he has transformed ideas into innovations and dreams into achievements. His remarkable journey includes representing the school at CBSE National Level Science Exhibition, qualifying for CBSE Regional Level Science Exhibition and Skill Expo, winning the Inspire Manak district level, participating at the state level, and repeatedly securing a place among top 500 ideas in the Youth Ideathon. His talent has also shown through numerous inter-school robotics and AI competitions, where he brought laurels to the institution. With a thunderous round of applause, may I request the former technological head of School Senate, Harsukmandeep Singh from the science stream, to come forward. A defining milestone in his journey came when his innovative startup idea earned him ₹1 lakh in seed funding from Desh Bhagat University, an achievement that reflects not only his technical brilliance but also entrepreneurial vision. As the former technological head, he inspired a culture of innovation and curiosity among his peers.
Next is Saksham Jan, who due to some reason could not make it up today, so let us move forward.
May I now invite Gursharan Singh from Humanities Stream, a student whose aspirations are deeply rooted in the land and whose vision reaches towards brighter future for agriculture. Believing that agriculture is not merely an occupation but the backbone of our nation, Gursharan has nurtured a dream of becoming a progressive agriculturist, one who blends tradition with innovation to contribute meaningfully to the society. Throughout his school years, he has enthusiastically participated in sports competition, displaying the qualities of discipline, perseverance, and teamwork.
Please put your hands together for the former sports head boy whose strength lies not only in athletic ability but also in the values of discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. Karthik Singh Garewal. Karthik has always believed that every game is an opportunity to learn, every challenge a chance to grow, and every victory the result of unwavering dedication. As a proud member of the school volleyball team and the former sports head boy, he led by example, inspiring his peers with his sportsmanship.
May I now invite a student whose gentle nature, compassionate heart, and quiet determination beautifully reflect the spirit of selfless service. Ekjot Kaur from class Humanities. Some dreams are inspired not by personal success alone, but by the desire to heal, comfort, and make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. Her inspiration to become a nursing and patient care speaks volumes about her empathy, resilience, and commitment to humanity. Blessed with excellent communication and intrapersonal skills, she has always connected with others through kindness, patience, and understanding. These qualities, coupled with her dedication, make her well prepared for a profession that demands both competence and compassion.
The celebration is far from over. Behind every student's outstanding achievement stands a teacher who believed in them, guided them, and inspired them to reach their highest potential. It is now time to honor those dedicated mentors whose unwavering commitment helped their students to achieve a perfect score of 100 in their respective subjects. Let us celebrate these exceptional educators with the appreciation and applause they truly deserve. A teacher's greatest reward is the success of her students.
It is now a privilege to invite Ms. Pukla Bedi, PGT English, whose exceptional guidance and dedication enabled her students to achieve a perfect score of 100 in English. May I request ma'am to kindly come forward and receive this well-deserved honor amidst a warm round of applause.
Language is the soul of a culture, and great teachers keep the soul alive. It is now our honor to invite Mr. Sandeep Kumar, PGT Punjabi, whose dedicated guidance inspired his two students to achieve a perfect score of 100 in Punjabi. May I request sir to kindly receive this well-deserved honor amidst a huge round of applause.
Guiding young minds is not only about imparting knowledge but also inspiring confidence and understanding. It is now a privilege to invite Ms. Manroop, PGT Psychology and School Counselor, whose dedicated mentorship enabled two students to achieve a perfect score of 100 in 100 in psychology. May I request ma'am to kindly come forward and receive this well-deserved honor amongst the thunderous round of applause. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request all the students to rise and take the oath. I again request our revered principal, ma'am, Dr. Manisha Gangwar, to administer the oath to the class of 2025-26.
I request all of you to please put your right hand on your left chest, this way, left side of the chest, and repeat after me. We, the graduates of Drishti Dr. R.C. Jain Innovative Public School, Ludhiana, hereby pledge that we shall, in thought, word, and deed, endeavor to be scrupulously honest, that in all circumstances we shall uphold the dignity and integrity of a school and the honor of our country, and that we shall devote all our energies to promote the unity and secular ideal of our country, and utilize our knowledge in the service of our motherland and humanity ultimately. Thank you. Please take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am. The moment has arrived to delve into the inspiring journey of our honorable chief guest. May I now request the President of our School Senate, Jabji Garewal, to graciously come forward and introduce the honorable chief guest of the day, Dr. Usha Agarwal.
Some journeys are marked by professional milestones, others by the lives they touch. Our chief guest this morning represents the rare harmony of both. It is my proud privilege to introduce Dr. Usha Agarwal, an eminent consultant pathologist, medical administrator, and an inspiring woman whose life reflects excellence, compassion, and unwavering dedication to healthcare. An alumna of the prestigious King George's Medical College, Lucknow, with an MD in pathology from Dayanand Medical College, Ludhiana, Dr. Usha Agarwal has devoted more than 4 decades to this noble profession of medicine. Her pursuit of excellence took her to the United Kingdom, where she underwent specialized training in gynecological cytology, musculoskeletal pathology, autopsy, and diagnostic histopathology at distinguished centers in Manchester, Liverpool, and Sheffield. Having served with distinction in leading hospitals as consultant pathologist, pathologist in charge, and director of administration, she continues to serve the community through Agarwal Lab Ludhiana, where her expertise has earned immense trust and respect. But behind every accomplished professional is a story of values, relationships, and a family that becomes the foundation of success. Dr. Usha Agarwal shares her life with Dr. N.K. Agarwal, one of India's most respected orthopedic surgeons whose life's mission has been to restore not merely bones, but hope, mobility, and dignity to thousands of patients. Together, they have built a family rooted in excellence, humility, and service. They are blessed with 2 children, both NTSC scholars, Mr. Ankush Agarwal and Mr. Bhavish Agarwal, who have carried forward the same spirit of innovation and achievement. Mr. Bhavish Agarwal, whose entrepreneurial vision has transformed urban mobility in India through Ola, and whose contributions continue to inspire millions of young dreamers. Their family's journey is a powerful reminder that true success is not inherited. It is nurtured through values, vision, and perseverance. Dear audience, the very hall in which we are seated, we are gathered today, beautifully reflects this enduring legacy. The D.R. Agarwal Library is not merely an architectural landmark, it is a tribute to generations who believed that knowledge is the greatest inheritance one can leave behind. Created through the generous vision of Mr. Bhavish Agarwal in loving memory of his grandfather, Dr. D.R. Agarwal, this library stands as a symbol of a family's deep commitment to education, learning, and nation building. Every Drishtian who walks through the doors of the D.R. Agarwal Library will forever remain grateful for this extraordinary gift, a legacy that will continue to enlighten minds and inspire generations to come. Today, we are deeply privileged to welcome not just an accomplished doctor, but a remarkable woman who has gracefully balanced professional excellence with the role of a devoted wife, a nurturing mother, and a guiding force behind a family that continues to inspire this nation. Ladies and gentlemen, with immense admiration and profound respect, may I request our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Usha Agarwal, to kindly grace the stage. Let us welcome her with a thunderous round of applause. Joint head boy to kindly escort.
Respected Dr. R.C. Jain ji, Madam Shushma, Principal Madam Manisha, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and my dear students, a very good morning to everyone. It's a great pleasure and privilege to be here on this special occasion. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students, parents, and teachers. Dear students, today is not just another school function. It's a celebration of your journey so far, and more importantly, the beginning of an exciting new chapter in your lives. When Ma'am Manisha invited me to be a chief guest, I was initially quite reluctant because I must confess I'm a rather stage shy. But the moment she told me that this was for the children, I simply could not say no to her. As a mother of two sons, I have personally experienced the many challenges, uncertainties, ups and downs that both children and their parents go through during these crucial years. And today, rather than giving you a long list of do's and don'ts, I would like to share some of those real life stories, my own son's journey. Because sometimes a real story can teach us for more than 100 pieces of advice. My son was class 10th topper. With big dreams and high expectations, he went to Kota for IIT coaching while pursuing his class +1 and +2 studies. As many of you may know, students preparing for IIT in Kota often focus almost entirely on coaching and have very little regular school attendance. Unfortunately, due to certain circumstances, my son missed several IIT coaching classes. Once he fell behind, he found it increasingly difficult to understand what was being taught in the classroom. Gradually, he began missing more and more classes. We came to know about this only towards the end of +1. This was a huge shock for us. A boy who had always been a topper, who had been confident and academically brilliant, had suddenly lost his direction. More importantly, his confidence. What he needed most at that time was not the criticism. He needed support. He needed someone to believe in him when he had stopped believing in himself. At that point, we had to make a difficult decision. We did not want to bring him back to Ludhiana because we felt that after being the topper, returning and facing his former classmates in those circumstances might be emotionally difficult for him. So we decided that I would spend as much time as possible with him in Kota. It was not easy. I was working, I had another son who was 8 years old, and there was no one at home to help him, as my husband Dr. Agrawal was also very busy. But at that moment, my son's emotional well-being was more important than anything else. The first few months were extremely difficult. He had lost his confidence, and I realized that before worrying about IIT exam, ranks, anything, my first goal should be to help him regain his confidence. When he used to come after attending classes, I could read from his face that he is not comfortable in that coaching class center. Always उसकी आंखों में आंसू होते थे जब वो क्लास में आता था. So I changed his coaching center and enrolled him in a smaller, less popular institute. And मैं उन टीचर से जाके मिली, उनको उसकी problems बताई. Because my son was very intelligent, very hardworking. The teachers, they recognized his potential and made an extra effort to help him. Time, however, was limited, and it was not possible to complete the entire syllabus. As a result, he could not crack IIT. But he had secured admission to Thapar University in computer science. In fact, his father had even gone to deposit his admission fee. वहाँ से डॉक्टर ने फ़ोन किया कि बेटे मैं तुम्हारी एडमिशन फ़ी जमा कर रहा हूँ. He said, Papa, whatever you want to do, you do. लेकिन मैंने थापर नहीं जाना. And because his dream was very clear, He wanted to study computer science at IIT Bombay. What gave him the confidence to try again was simple but important realization. He knew exactly why had he why he had not succeeded in his first attempt. It was not because he lacked ability, but because he had been unable to complete the entire syllabus. That clarity gave him confidence. So we brought him back to Ludhiana and visited several coaching centers. But surprisingly, every teacher gave us almost the same advice. He does not need coaching. All he needs is a room, a table and chair, and the determination to study. And that is exactly what he did. With self-study, discipline, perseverance, and relentless hard work, he secured 23rd rank in IIT entrance and earned admission to his dream institution IIT Bombay in computer science. This is the story of my son Bhavish Agrawal, who is the former founder CEO of Ola Group of Companies. His story tells us importance of self-confidence, hard work, clear goal, and big dreams. My dear students, if at any point in life that you have fallen behind, remember, falling behind is not the end of the journey. One setback cannot decide your future. One difficult year cannot define your entire life. And losing your way for some time does not mean that you are lost forever. What matters is having the courage to restart. Every setback teaches us something that success cannot. Requesting parents, if your child ever goes through a difficult phase, please don't blame him. Don't criticize him or remind him of what he had done wrong. Instead, stand beside him, help him understand his mistake, rebuild his confidence, and let him believe you are with him. मैंने बच्चों के लिए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ लाइनें लिखी हैं। आसमां छूने की तमन्ना रखिए, आसमां छूने की तमन्ना रखिए, मगर गिरने से कभी मत डरिए। अगर गिर जाएं तो घबराइए मत और अपनी असफलता पर पछताइए मत। बस इतना एहसास कीजिए कि गलती कहाँ हुई, उससे सीखिए, फिर उठिए और आगे बढ़िए। एक नई सोच, नई हिम्मत और प्लान वे में दोबारा कोशिश करिए और फिर देखिए ये जमी क्या, ये आसमां भी आपका होगा। Dear students, may each one of you achieve your dreams and make your parents, your teachers, your country, and most importantly, yourself proud. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you for your inspiring words, ma'am. Your thoughts beautifully reminded us that the strongest foundation for every child's success is the love, values, and guidance received at home. As we begin a new chapter in our lives, we will always remember to cherish the lessons you shared today. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request our Honorable Sir Ravinder Jain, President School Trust, Ma'am Sushma Jain, accompanied by our respected Ma'am Principal, Dr. Manisha Gangwar, to present token of fond remembrance to our Honorable Chief Guest and Guest of Honor.
now. Behind every remarkable achievement lies a journey of hard work, perseverance, and quiet determination. Today, we celebrate one such inspiring journey. Our next speaker has proved that true excellence is achieved not only through intelligence but also through discipline, humility, and consistent effort. A sincere, obedient, and focused learner, she has set a benchmark for others to follow. Her outstanding performance includes a perfect score of 100 on 100 in Punjabi and the highest marks in biology, reflecting her dedication and love for learning. It is now my privilege to invite Anoop V to share her inspiring journey and memorable experiences. Please welcome her with a warm and enthusiastic round of applause.
Good morning, respected principal, chief guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today is a very special day for all of us. It marks the ending of one chapter in our life and the beginning of another. Today, it feels strange to realize that the classrooms, the corridors, and the school grounds, which have been a part of our daily life, will soon become memories. First of all, I would like to thank all our parents. Behind every student sitting here is a family that made countless sacrifices, encouraged us in difficult times, celebrated our achievements, and stood by us even when we made mistakes. Your love, patience, and faith gave us the strength to reach this day. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers. Thank you for your support, guidance, and believing me even when I doubted myself. You didn't just give us teach us subjects, you gave us the life lessons which will stay with us long after we leave this place. To my classmates and my friends, thank you for every laugh, every group discussion before exams, every shared notebook, and every memory we created together. You made this journey much meaningful. If someone had asked me a few years ago what this day would feel like, I probably wouldn't have an answer. But today, standing here, I realize graduation isn't just about leaving this place. It's about carrying a part of this place wherever we go. While we were in school, we never realized how precious these ordinary days were. But I know when I'll visit again, everything will feel different. We will walk through these hallways with memories instead of our school bags. The classrooms may be the same, but we would have changed. As we all step into a new phase of life, I would like you all to remember that we should never stop learning, and I hope that you all always believe in yourself. I'd like to end with just a simple thought. Our marks may open the doors, but our character decides how far we go. So let's move forward with confidence, courage, and gratitude and create a future that makes us proud. Thank you and all the very best for your journey ahead.
Thank you so much, Anu, for taking us through your memory lane. Some journeys inspire not only through success, but through the experiences and lessons they leave behind. Having carved a remarkable path during her years at school, Anhat Kaur has graciously volunteered to share her reflections with us. Her journey is a testament of the power of perseverance, confidence, and a willingness to embrace every opportunity that comes her way. May I now invite Anhat Kaur to come forward and share her experiences, cherished memories, and words of inspiration with all of us.
Yesterday, I had a dream. In it, I vividly saw my 8-year-old self getting ready for a school function. I could feel every bit of her excitement and the flurry of butterflies in her stomach as she stepped up to hold a microphone for the very first time in her life and deliver the very first speech in front of a sea of faces. Standing right here at this podium a decade later, the 18-year-old me is feeling that exact same rush. Holding this microphone today, I am delivering my final speech as a student right here at Drishti, where it all began. The excitement, the nervousness, the butterflies, they're all identical. The only difference is that those butterflies signaled the start of a brand new chapter, and today, at 18, they are helping me turn the final page. Life truly has a beautiful way of bringing us full circle, my friends, and today, this is ours. Looking at all of you today, I don't just see my story coming full circle, I see all of us. We walked into Drishti as children with oversized bags and uncertain steps, and today we stand here as the people we hope to become. Every hallway echoes with our laughter. We spent years wishing time would move faster, but today I think we all wish it would stand still. There's something surreal about returning to the place that shaped you, not as a student, but as a teacher. After 16 years of learning in those classrooms, standing there to share my own knowledge was truly a full circle moment. Every corridor held memories, making this an unforgettable experience. I'm deeply grateful to Ma'am Lisa and our respected Ma'am Principal for trusting and encouraging me. The opportunity of being a student teacher at my own institution will always hold a special place in my heart. As students, life feels wonderfully innocent and beautifully predictable. We believe exams as our biggest challenges and grades as our biggest responsibilities. But eventually, we realized that these classrooms were preparing us for something much more bigger. The real world has no fixed syllabus and no report cards, only our choices, resilience, and courage to create our own paths. When I look back, I don't just see 15 years of school, I see a beautiful voyage that began with a little child stepping into nursery and transforming into the person standing before you now. I remember the first classrooms, the first friendships, the lessons, the victories, the failures, the laughter, and the struggles that shaped this journey. So let me take you back through the chapters of this unforgettable story. In grades 1 to 3, I was the child who always wanted to do everything. To study, to dance, to draw, to read, to sing, to participate in sports, and to be a part of each and every activity in our school. Those years were filled with innocent excitement, unforgettable friendships, and moments like our much-awaited pool parties before the summer break, which remain some of my fondest memories ever. In grade 4 and 5, we decorated activity sheets with glitter and colorful tapes, waited eagerly for games period with Miss Neha, and then rushed to the computer labs to paint on MS Word. Grade 6 brought a major change, from red to blue, sheets to books, pencils to pens, and finally feeling like seniors. It taught me that some things, like words written in ink, cannot always be erased. Grades 7 and 8 were shaped by COVID when classrooms, homework, tests, and our lives moved online. In grade 9, we finally returned to school. I remember Miss Rajwinder planning our seating arrangement and wondering where to seat me because technically I could even talk to walls back then. My love for geography also grew during this time. Thanks to Ms. Jaspreet, whose teaching helped me remember all 197 countries by my name. Then came class 12, the bestest year of my school life. While preparing for boards, especially maths and especially statistics, that was my biggest challenge that I ever faced. I remember Miss Seema Kant patiently helping me whenever I felt lost. The countless conversations with Mahan and Pangu made that year even more special. Class 10 also gave me the opportunity to manage Zaika Drishtika under the guidance of Ms. Jyotika Gupta. Her passion for learning continues to inspire every life that she ever touched. Though she is no longer with us, I know she is watching over us and cheering for each and every one of her students. That year taught me how to balance academics with creating unforgettable memories, and I was fortunate enough to experience both. In class 11, when I chose medical with psychology, I was unsure of my decision. but my mentors, Miss Lisa, Miss Pukla, Miss Megha, and Mr. Kamal guided me every step of the way. When Ma'am Principal told me in my first psychology class, Anhad, I'm very proud that you are my student, all my doubts disappeared. Ma'am, it has been an honor to learn from you. Thank you for being my inspiration and guide. Class 11 also introduced me to event management, organizing the school's first alumni meet, thanks to Miss Sangeeta's trust, alongside my wonderful friends Jasleen, Gurkirat, Subhangi, Prisha, and Jasmine, remains one of my most cherished memories. The laughter, teamwork, and moments we shared will always stay with me forever. As we stepped into class 12, we entered the final chapter of our school journey. When I realized that this would be my last year, I did something that the disciplined Anhad of the past would never have imagined. I simply enjoyed it. I relived memories, sat in the canteen, wandered through corridors with Pangu, of course, finished my tiffin before recess, explored novels in the library, clicked a picture on the iMac, sat on the ground for no reason, and after all these adventures, whatever time remained, of course, it was for my studies. The final year taught me lessons beyond academics: accountability, responsibility, kindness, humility, and so much more. A special mention goes to Manroop ma'am, my psychology teacher, who guided me through every challenge and became more than a teacher. She became my friend. Her support and encouragement have been an invaluable part of my journey. I will always remain grateful for this institution for giving me an environment where I could learn, grow, and constantly strive for excellence. Every chapter of this journey was made brighter because of the people who stood by me unconditionally. I want to take a moment to thank the ones who made this journey possible, my family. I just hope I can get through this part without a teary eye, because this one is truly special. Dad, you have always been my greatest strength and the person who taught me to believe in myself, especially during the moments when I doubted my own abilities. You have stood beside me through every challenge, helped me overcome every obstacle, and reminded me that I am capable of more than I realize. Thank you for cheering me on through every victory. Everything I have achieved is a reflection of your faith, your sacrifices, and your unwavering belief in me. Thank you for always being there, for guiding me, and for being the person I can always look up to. I'm truly grateful to have you as my father. Mom, I don't think words are enough to express what you mean to me. You are my best friend, my mentor, my safest space, and the solution to all my problems. Everything I was, everything I am, and everything that I will ever be is because of you. You have been my greatest source of love, strength, and comfort, always standing by my side through every success, every failure, and every challenge. Thank you for being my constant support, my biggest cheerleader, and the person I can always turn to. To my brother, thank you for always being there for me through every phase of my life. To my grandfather, thank you for your wisdom and the values you have passed on to me. To my grandmother, I hope she's listening. Thank you for teaching me the strength of resilience and reminding me to always rise above every challenge with courage and grace. Before I conclude, I would like to mention that my friend Gurkirat could not be with us today due to some unforeseen circumstances. However, he sent me a heartfelt poem written especially for this occasion and asked me to share it on his behalf. It is my privilege to present his words today, along with his best wishes for each and every one of you as you step into this exciting new chapter of life. बचपन ते बचपना आ छड़ आ गए स्कूल विच यादां नूं आ दब आ गए कट्ठे बह कीते जो हासे खेडे सी उन्हां नूं आ दंदां विच जब आ गए जिवें वध नंबर लैना पहला जिम्मेवारी सी पढ़ाई भी नहीं मुक्की होर जब आ गए अज जद लब्बे समय खुशियां वाले अज जद लब्बे समय खुशियां वाले इत्थों वर्गे ना लब्बे असीं लब आ गए इत्थों वर्गे ना लब्बे असीं लब आ गए We came here as strangers and we leave as stories. The classrooms may become memories, the corridors may become distant places, but the lessons we learned and the memories we created within these walls will forever echo in our hearts. With this beautiful piece of poetry, I would like to draw the curtains on my words for today. हमारे जाने के बाद अफसाने बयां होंगे, बहारें हमें ढूंढेंगी, न जाने हम कहाँ होंगे, न जाने हम कहाँ होंगे. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening so patiently.
Thank you, Anhad. We are spellbound while accompanying you through your memory lane. Dear parents, your presence today makes this celebration even more meaningful. Every milestone Drishtians achieve is built upon the foundations of your unconditional love, unwavering encouragement, and countless silent sacrifices. As their first teachers and lifelong mentors, you have nurtured their dreams while partnering with the school to shape confident, compassionate, and capable individuals.
At Drishti, we deeply value the strong bond between home and school, for it is this partnership that enables our children to learn, grow, and flourish. It is now my privilege to invite Mrs. Kashish, the mother of Swar, to come forward and share her thoughts and reflections with us. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Good morning everyone. गुरु केवल शिक्षा नहीं देते, वे जीवन को दिशा भी देते हैं. और ये जो लाइन है, ये मैं अपने दिल से कह रही हूँ, क्योंकि वाकई ही मेरे बच्चे को सिर्फ यहाँ पे शिक्षा नहीं मिली, जीवन जीने की दिशा मिली है. I would like to begin with a beautiful thought because I truly believe it reflects the role of every teacher. It is an absolute honor to be here today. As a proud parent, I feel grateful to have this opportunity to share few words about the school. स्कूल सिर्फ एक इमारत ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे हमारे बच्चे सिर्फ पढ़ने नहीं आते, बहुत कुछ सीखने भी आते हैं. यहाँ पर हमारे बच्चों के भविष्य को एक आकार दिया जाता है. यहाँ हमारे बच्चे आकर एक नया कॉन्फिडेंस, अनुशासन, संस्कार, इंसानियत भी सीखते हैं, और यही सीख उनके साथ पूरी जिंदगी रहती है. What I admire most about the school is that I believe that the teachers of this school believe that every child is unique. The school encourages children to discover their talent in sport, music, art, cultural activities, leadership, and every field where they can grow with the confidence. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected principal ma'am, the school management, every teacher, and every school staff member. Your dedication, patience, and love have helped to shape my child and become him to a responsible and compassionate human being. मैं एक पर्सनल चीज आप सबसे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि जब मेरा बेटा यहाँ स्कूल में आया था, तो उसका तो मुझे पता नहीं, पर मैं बहुत ही कंफ्यूज्ड थी, क्योंकि लास्ट हमने अपने बच्चे को डाला था, एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट सेक्रेड हार्ट. इट्स अ वेरी गुड स्कूल, नंबर 1 स्कूल, और हमने वहाँ उसको एडमिशन दिलवाई. लेकिन हमें वहाँ पे अपने बच्चे के लिए अच्छा रिस्पांस नहीं मिल पा रहा था, क्योंकि मे बी मेरा बच्चा स्पेशल था और उसे इधर आना था. और यहाँ आने के बाद मैंने जो नोटिस करा है कि यहाँ पे उसको हर टीचर ने बहुत प्यार से, बहुत, क्या बोलूँ मैं, टीचर नहीं, उसको यहाँ टीचर्स ने माँ बन के उसको संवारा है. एक्चुअली मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, एक साया और स्वर. साया इस टाइम पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ग्रेजुएशन कर रही है, इन लॉ, और वो जिस जगह पे, जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में ग्रेजुएशन कर रही है, वहाँ पे सिर्फ साया ही ऐसा बच्चा है जो इंडियन है, अदरवाइज बाकी सारे फॉरेनर्स हैं। और उसको ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो इसी स्कूल से मिला है। और थैंक यू। ओके, आज मैं जब यहाँ खड़ी हूँ तो मुझे इस बात का बहुत ही प्राउड है कि मेरे दोनों बच्चे इस स्कूल का हिस्सा हैं। उनको इस स्कूल से सिर्फ यादें ही नहीं मिली, बल्कि जीवन जीने की शिक्षा मिली है जो उनके साथ सारी उम्र रहेगी। Also, I wanted to say a special thanks to Sangeeta ma'am for her effort and all the love she has shown to both of my kids. मेरी बेटी को 3 साल हो गए अब्रॉड में, लेकिन स्टिल वो मैम के साथ अभी भी व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू या जैसे भी उनके साथ उसका कोई ना कोई बात होती रहती है। और वो हमेशा कहती है, मैम, मम्मा, ये जो मैम है मेरे बेस्ट मेंटोर हैं। आज की डेट में भी उसे अगर कुछ नहीं समझ आता या उसे कोई कन्फ्यूजन है तो वो डायरेक्टली मुझसे पहले मैम को कॉल करती है। और एक चीज़ और मैं शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि मेरी डॉटर ने ना मुझे एक दिन एक टेक्स्ट भेजा और उसकी वो कन्वर्सेशन मैम के साथ थी, तो उसने मुझे बहुत ही इमोशनल कर दिया, क्योंकि मैम ने उसमें लिखा हुआ था, आई ऑलवेज थॉट अबाउट स्वर मोर देन माई सन। तो ये देख के हम दोनों ही, वो भी और मैं भी, हम बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो गए और हमने प्राउड भी फील करा कि मेरे बच्चे को टीचर नहीं, यहाँ पे गुरु मिले हैं। और वो गुरु उनको उनकी लाइफ में कैसे चलना है आगे, मतलब सिर्फ स्टडी ही नहीं, उनको उन्होंने सारे क्या बोलूँ मैं कि वर्ड्स भी नहीं मुझे मिल रहे। एक्चुअली उन्होंने मेरे बच्चों को बनाया है। मेरे हस्बैंड हमेशा कहते हैं कि मुझे बड़ा रिग्रेट रहता था कि हमने ब्रांडेड इतना अच्छा स्कूल, वहाँ पे लोगों को एडमिशन नहीं मिलती, हमारे बच्चे वहाँ पढ़ रहे थे, हमने निकाल दिया, ये क्या किया हमने दृष्टि में डाल दिया। तो वो हमेशा यही कहते थे, कहते अब जिस हमने स्कूल में डाला है ना, वहाँ पे बच्चे हमारे ब्रांड बन के निकलेंगे। और मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा 100% होगा। हाँ, एक चीज़ और, एक स्पेशल थैंक्स टू राजविंदर मैम। राजविंदर मैम को मेरे बच्चे पे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस था। 6th क्लास की बात है, जब बच्चा मैं कह रही थी नहीं मैम इससे नहीं होगा, मैं डाउटफुल रहती थी मैम कैसे कर पाएगा, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा स्टडीज़ में वो शुरू से वीक था। लेकिन राजविंदर मैम, नहीं मैम वो कर लेगा, नहीं मैम वो उससे हो जाएगा, नहीं मैम ऐसे कैसे, मैं कह रही हूँ ना मैम हो जाएगा, आप छोड़ दो। तो उसने सचमुच के करके दिखाया। और उसका रीज़न यही है कि ऐसे टीचर्स और ऐसे गुरु मिले जिनको उस पर फुल फेथ था, उन्होंने उसको निखार दिया। और थैंक यू सो मच, मैं दिल से सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ जिन्होंने मेरे बच्चे को निखारने में मदद करी। थैंक यू सो मच। To all the students sitting here today, keep believing in yourself and keep respecting your teachers and parents and never stop learning. Success will surely follow you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much, Mom.
As every memorable journey draws to a close, it leaves behind not just cherished memories, but also voices that become a part of an institution's legacy. Our next speaker is one such voice. For years, she has been the confident face behind countless school events, the poised anchor who has lent grace to this very stage, and an accomplished orator whose brilliance has earned accolades in numerous inter-school competitions. As the former president of School Senate, she has led with sincerity, humility, and unwavering commitment, embodying the values that Drishti proudly stands for.
Today, however, this moment carries a special emotion. For perhaps the final time as a student leader of this institution, she steps up to this podium. not to lead a ceremony, but to conclude one, not merely with words of gratitude, but with a heart full of memories and affection for the place she has called her second home. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite Samrit Kaur Garewal, our former School Senate President, to deliver the vote of thanks. Let us welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. Standing here today feels unreal. I never imagined that the place I entered crying 15 years ago would become the place I'd find the hardest to leave. For 15 years, these hallways have watched us grow. These classrooms have witnessed our laughter, our tears, our victories, our failures, and countless little moments that shaped us into who we are today. We spent years waiting for the final bell to ring. Today, I would give anything just to hear it ring one more time. Before I thank a few people individually, I want to thank each one of you who has been a part of my journey. Many of you remember a younger me, the one who wasn't particularly good at studies, the one who failed class tests and sometimes even exams. Looking at me today, standing here with this mic, I realize that this version of me exists because of all of you. Every lesson, every opportunity, every correction, every word of encouragement, and yes, even every scolding became a part of the person I am today. But there's one person who changed the direction of my journey, my favorite teacher, Rajvinder ma'am. People often say that teachers help you score better. You did something much greater. You helped me believe in myself. You listened to my countless stories, whether it was a friendship that broke my heart, a failed test, or simply the fears that existed in my own mind. I still remember my trembling legs before my very first inter-school competition in grade 9. I was terrified. I wanted to back out, but you didn't let my future push away. You pushed me onto the stage. Looking back today, I realize that one moment changed my life forever. Every stage I have stood on since then, every mic I have held, every speech I have delivered with confidence carries a part of you. If today I have the courage to stand here, a huge part of that courage belongs to you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Before Ruhi ma'am came into our class, economics was the subject I feared the most. It was the subject I scored the lowest in, and I never really thought that I would actually enjoy it. But you changed that completely. You made every concept so simple that I gradually started enjoying economics, and my marks improved too. More than the subject, I'll miss your classes. The environment you created made learning so enjoyable that I always found myself waiting for your period, knowing that it would become the best part of my day. I only had the privilege of learning from you for 1 year, and honestly, I wish I had many more. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Manoop ma'am, for teaching me about life. You patiently listened to my stories, guided me through life, and always made me feel heard. Some of the greatest lessons I learned from you were never written in a textbook. They came through our conversations. To the teacher who made us laugh in every class, thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. I'll always remember the smiles and the stomach-aching laughter your classroom gave us. Thank you, Seema ma'am, for believing in me and trusting me with the opportunities that changed my school life. Whether it was competitions, responsibilities, or giving me the opportunity to become the voice of our school's podcast, every experience helped me discover a new version of myself. A very special thank you to Gunreet ma'am, although she no longer teaches here, but she'll always be a part of this family. I had the privilege of learning from her in grade 11, but her guidance never really ended, even when she left the school. Even today, whenever I need advice or encouragement, she is there. Thank you for believing in me so wholeheartedly and for proving that a true teacher never stops teaching. I would also like to thank Jaspreet ma'am, Lisa ma'am, Pukla ma'am, Khanna sir, Megha ma'am, Kamal sir, Chotika ma'am, Puneet ma'am, Vanita ma'am, Rupinder ma'am, and every teacher who has ever been a part of my journey. Before I move on, I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Tejwan sir, Puneet sir, and Manpreet sir for unforgettable memories and laughter. Lastly, a sincere thank you to our support staff. Your smiles, your guidance, and your constant support never went unnoticed. Thank you for making our school feel like home. Each one of you have shaped me in your own unique way. Some of you taught me lessons from books, while others taught lessons that no textbook ever could. Thank you for every lesson, every opportunity, every smile, every correction, and every word of encouragement. Today, I leave the school carrying not just knowledge, but values and memories that will stay with me forever. There are two people I can never really thank enough, my parents. Mom and Dad, thank you for every sacrifice that you've ever made. Thank you for holding my hand when I was too scared to take the first step and for believing in me even on the days when I couldn't believe in myself. Behind my every achievement are countless sacrifices that no one else ever saw. Every early morning, every late night, every prayer, every word of encouragement, and every time you chose my dreams over your own brought me to this moment. If today I stand here with confidence, it is because I've spent my whole life standing on the foundation of your love. Thank you for being my first teachers, my biggest supporters, and the safest place I'll ever call home. And now, to my friends. I don't think there are enough words to thank people who turned these 15 years of my life into the most beautiful chapter. Thank you for making school feel like home. For every lunch break that somehow ended too quickly, every free period that was never really free, every last minute assignment, every random conversation in the corridor, every joke that made the whole class burst into laughter, every celebration, every silly memory, and every moment that quietly became a part of who I am. Thank you for listening to my endless stories, my excitement, my overthinking, my dreams, and even the days when I had nothing important to say but simply needed someone to listen. Some of you have seen me at my strongest. Some of you have seen me completely fall apart. Yet, through every version of me, you stayed. You reminded that I had never had to face anything alone. School is funny, isn't it? We spent years wishing we would grow up. And now that it's finally time, none of us are really ready to leave. Tomorrow, these classrooms will look exactly the same. The benches will still be here. The corridors will still echo with laughter. The only difference is we won't be sitting here anymore. Life will take each one of us in different directions, different colleges, different cities, different dreams. Maybe we won't see each other every day. Maybe we won't even talk as often. But I hope that whenever we hear the word school, the first thing that comes to our mind will be each other. And finally, my deepest gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Manisha Gangwar ma'am, for guiding me through every step of my journey. Every responsibility you entrusted me with became a lesson in confidence, leadership, resilience, and kindness. As I stand here today, I realize that this moment is also a reflection of the faith you have placed in me over the years. Thank you, ma'am. Before I leave the stage, I'd like to leave everyone with one thought. People say that one chapter ends so that the another can begin. Maybe they're right, but some chapters you can never really close. No matter where life takes me, there will always be a part of me walking through these corridors, sitting in these classrooms, smiling at the teachers who changed my life, laughing with the friends who made every ordinary day an unforgettable one. Because today, I may be leaving Drishti, but Drishti will never leave me. Thank you for 15 unforgettable years.
Samrit, it was wonderful listening to your words. It showed us how important are our teachers in our journey. And so, dear audience, as the curtains gently fall on Abhyuday, rite of passage from learning to serving, we do not bid farewell, we celebrate a beginning. Today was more than a ceremony. It was a celebration of friendships that became family, lessons that became values, and dreams that are now ready to take a flight. The corridors of Trishti may no longer witness the footsteps of class 2025-26, but they will forever echo with your laughter, your achievements, your leadership, and the memories you leave behind.
As one chapter gracefully closes, another unfolds, filled with infinite possibilities, greater responsibilities, and dreams waiting to be transformed into reality. To our graduating class, may you always carry the spirit of Drishti in your hearts. Walk with confidence, lead with compassion, serve with integrity, and never stop believing in the extraordinary power of your dreams. May every destination welcome your brilliance, every challenge reveal your strength, and every success remind you of where your journey began. Congratulations once again, class of 2025-26. The world awaits your light. Go forth, rise higher, and make your story truly unforgettable. Thank you. The parents are now requested to stay seated, and the procession is requested to move in a line for the group photograph.